Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Global Body Suspends Membership of Delhi Zoo. The World Association of Zoos and Aquariums, an alliance of global zoo and aquarium associations, suspended the membership of the National Zoological Park, informally known as the Delhi Zoo. It was suspended over concerns about the poor condition in which the lone African elephant at the facility has been housed. The association has now given the zoo 6 months' time till 7th April 2025 to either relocate the male elephant or to address all concerns related to his management and care. Zoo officials said they will examine the WAZA communication thoroughly and appropriate action. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has also taken note of the matter. The development comes months after zoo officials said that the elephant had come into a state of aggression where increased reproductive hormones are released and sought assistance to tranquilize it. The elephant, which has been named Shankar by zoo authorities, has been kept chained for large periods, which are biting into the animal's legs, only adding to the animal's aggression. A pair of African elephants arrived in India as a diplomatic gift by the Robert Mugabe-led Zimbabwe government in 1998. The male was named Shankar after the 9th President of India, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, while the female was named Bombay after the wife of Zimbabwe ambassador to India. Now let's talk about the World Association of Zoos and Aquariums. The World Association of Zoos and Aquariums was founded in 1935 and serves as the global alliance for zoos and aquariums. WAZA comprises nearly 400 leading institutions and organizations worldwide, including regional associations and national federations, all committed to animal care, conservation and education. 123. The organization aims to provide leadership and support for zoos and aquariums in areas such as animal welfare, biodiversity conservation, environmental education, and global sustainability. Now it's time for the practice question. Where is the executive office of WAZA currently located? London, UK, Washington, DC, USA, Barcelona, Spain, or Tokyo, Japan? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.